Hi, welcome to week 27 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. As always, we have some prompts. This week's it's something representing a holiday, a toy, a handwritten line from a song, water in some form, the sun or moon, and as a bonus, shoes or shoe. I am currently visiting my mum in Germany, in Hamburg, and that's a picture of Hamburg. And I wrote down a little song line from a well-known sailor song. I'm limited in my resources this week. I bought here a sticker book with these cute little animals, and I will use some of them for this collage. I think it's like a toy, soft toy, this little bear here. And I bought another book. They are cutouts for collages, and I will use some of this in the collage as well. I can't, they are little shoes, but in the moment I can't find them, but at least you get a little bit of an idea of the pictures in there. Here they are, these little green shoes. I thought they would look really, really nice on the little soft toy teddy bear. I will go and do a little bit of the fussy cutting off camera and then I come back. Okay, here I cut out for the prompt toy, the little soft toy, the little bear, the moon, and this tiny little green shoes for the little bear. And I decided the little bear will have a little soft toy hedgehog friend, and I thought he can float on a balloon that I attach with a little piece of string later. If you're new to my channel, you might not know that as a base for the weekly collage, I am using an index card, 4 by 6 inches, size of a postcard, to send every week's collage to my mum as a postcard to Germany. She has been collecting cards for over 60 years, and yeah, that's what we do with each other. But this week I am in Germany and visit her. So this week's collage goes back to Auckland, New Zealand as a postcard to my mum. Not to my mum, to my family. Okay, let's start with the first prompt, something representing a holiday. Yes, my holiday is in Hamburg, and this is a picture of the Landungsbrücken. This is the Hamburg harbor with the container harbor in the back, and the river is the Elbe that is going through Hamburg, which is also one of the prompt water in some form. I am using glue stick, even though I just realized with a card that my mum received that is actually not stable enough. But that's the only supply I have available in the moment. So for now, that needs to be good enough. Last week I told you a little fairy tale connected to my postcard, and a few of you commented nicely on this idea, and I thought I will do this again with this collage further down the track. And yeah, please let me know how you like this fairy tale. Okay, here that's a little song lyric. I will try and see if I can find the actual song, and will link it down below in the comment section. This is such a funny moment here. I so tried to attach this little green shoes on the little feet of this little bear using my tweezers because it's so hard to do. And then afterwards I thought, why did I do this? Why didn't I put the little bear first on my collage, position it nicely, and then later attach the shoes on his feet afterwards? But in this moment, it didn't even cross my mind. And yeah, good, the little bear. And now I will put his friend on the collage as well with the little balloon. Okay. And here we go. I promised you a fairy tale that goes along with this postcard collage. And yeah, here we go. Once upon a time, in the enchanting city of Hamburg, there lived a magical soft toy bear who wore shimmering green shoes. This bear had a very special friend, a plush hedgehog with the extraordinary ability to fly using a colorful balloon. One moonlit night, as the city slept and the river Elbe flowed gently by, the bear and the hedgehog decided to embark on a grand adventure. The bear with his magical green shoes could walk on water, while the hedgehog soared through the air, guided by his trusty balloon. As they explored the twinkling lights of Hamburg's harbor, they heard a haunting melody carried on the breeze. It was an old sailor's song, its lyrics echoing across the water. Rolling home, rolling home, rolling home across the sea. Rolling home to dear old Hamburg. Rolling home, sweet land to thee. Intrigued, the toys followed the music to an ancient ship moored in a hidden cove. Aboard, they discovered a crew of enchanted sailor dolls, trapped by a wicked spell. The dolls could only be freed if someone could sing the entire song while dancing on the deck under the light of the full moon. The bear with his nimble green shoes began to dance, while the hedgehog used his balloon to float high above, conducting an orchestra of wind and waves. Together they performed the magical song, breaking the spell and freeing the sailor dolls. As a reward for their bravery, the grateful sailors gifted the bear and hedgehog with a magical compass that could take them anywhere they wished. The two friends decided to use it to explore the world, knowing they could always return to their beloved Hamburg whenever they wanted. And this brings us to the end of our story and the end of this week's collage. Hamburg is something representing my holidays, two soft toys, the handwritten lines of the song, the Elbe in the background, the moon, and as the bonus, the green shoes. I hope you enjoyed yourself watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye for now. I wish you a wonderful day.